Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about the concept of friction and how it applies to moving vehicles. Have you ever noticed when you take your foot off the gas and brake pedal that the car starts to slow down? This is because of friction. Friction is the force that acts in the opposite direction of a moving vehicle. To exemplify this, my partner will discuss a real life scenario that goes over the concepts of friction.
In our imaginary car crashing simulation, we'll look at two different road textures that will affect its ability to brake and stop properly before a wall. We will use a whiteboard eraser as a substitute car. And first in our simulation, an iPad cover to simulate a normal road. With its rougher texture, the car should hypothetically be able to brake and stop properly without crashing. Now, let's see what happens when we replace our normal road with an icy road. The glass on the iPad will replicate the more difficult driving conditions in the harsher weather. The smoother texture on the icy road compared to the rougher texture on the normal road will result in drastic results. Unfortunately, the car is not able to stop and brake properly without crashing into the wall. Why does this happen? My partner will explain further with more information.
The amount of friction is the reason why the car was able to stop just before hitting the wall compared to the icy road where the car kept moving and crashed into the wall. To measure kinetic friction, we need to use kinetic friction coefficient multiplied by mg. The m is equal to the car's mass, so the only changed one is the coefficient. Different roads have different coefficient. The average kinetic friction coefficient of normal roads is 0.8, but the average kinetic friction coefficient of icy road is only 0.02. The lower the coefficient, the greater the chance of crashing.